Unleash the ultimate game to revolutionize your student story review experience. In this video, I'm going to unlock the secret to skyrocketing vocabulary and comprehension with a reading scavenger hunt. Drop an excited in the comments if you're ready to transform your classroom. And you'll want to stick around until the end when I'll share with you how you can get essential CI training for free to develop or refresh your CI awesomeness. My name is Scott, and you're watching Immediate Immersion, where we're all about comprehension-based instruction in the modern language classroom. We'll be right back. Get ready for a game-changing activity that will revolutionize your students' reading experience and take your classroom by storm. Introducing the Reading Scavenger Hunt. A reading scavenger hunt is a unique and innovative approach to help students review and deeply understand the events and characters of a story or novel. This activity breaks the traditional mold of book reports and quizzes by engaging students in a fun, collaborative, and immersive learning experience. Here's how it works. Students are divided into small groups, and each group is tasked with hunting for different events from a story or novel. These events can range from major plot points to subtle character interactions, ensuring that students pay close attention to the text's details. The beauty of this activity is that it can be tailored to suit any story or novel, making it highly versatile and adaptable to various learning environments. Once students have found all of the events, the real fun begins. They must work together as a team to put these events in chronological order, encouraging critical thinking, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. This process helps students truly grasp the story's sequence and reinforces their understanding of the narrative structure. A reading scavenger hunt offers numerous benefits for both students and educators. For students, this activity enhances reading comprehension. By actively searching for events and discussing them with their peers, students develop a deeper understanding of the story's content and context. It builds vocabulary and language skills. Rereading the text multiple times to find specific events helps students internalize new vocabulary and language structures. It boosts engagement and motivation. The competitive and collaborative nature of the scavenger hunt keeps students eager to participate and excel in the activity. It fosters teamwork and social skills. Working together as a group promotes communication, cooperation, and the ability to listen and respect others' opinions. For teachers, a reading scavenger hunt provides a flexible and customizable teaching tool. Teachers can easily modify the activity to suit different reading levels, genres, and classroom sizes. It encourages active learning. This hands-on approach keeps students engaged and involved in their own learning process, leading to a better retention of the material. It offers valuable assessment opportunities. By observing the students' discussions and decision-making processes, teachers can gain insights into their comprehension and critical thinking abilities. It also promotes a positive classroom atmosphere. The collaborative nature of the activity fosters a sense of community and camaraderie among students, creating an enjoyable and supportive learning environment. So how do you do a reading scavenger hunt? Number 1, crafting the event sentences. Begin by writing 10 to 30 sentences in the target language that represent major events in the story or novel. The number of sentences you write depends on the length of the text and the depth of understanding you want your students to achieve. These sentences should be concise, clear, and encapsulate pivotal moments or significant character developments. Number 2, preparing the clues. Once you have your sentences, ensure that they are written as individual statements and large enough for students to read from 2 to 3 feet away. This may mean typing them out in a bold font, enlarging them, or writing them on colorful paper to catch students' attention. Third, hiding the sentences. With your sentences ready, it's time to hide them around your classroom or in the area surrounding your classroom. Get creative with your hiding spots, under desks, on bookshelves, or even among decorations. If you have access to an outdoor area like a courtyard or quad, consider hiding some sentences outside for an added layer of excitement. Number 4, forming student groups. Next, divide your students into groups of 4 or 5, depending on the class size. This will allow for an effective collaboration and discussion as they work together to find and order the sentences. Number 5, the hunt begins. Now it's time for the scavenger hunt to commence. Each student sets off in search of the hidden sentences. Inform them of the total number of sentences, and if you wish, provide hints on how many are in the classroom and how many are outside. This will ensure that students know what they're looking for and can strategize accordingly. Number 6, collecting the sentences. Students are not allowed to remove the sentences from their hiding spots. Instead, they can take pictures with their phones or jot down the sentences using pen and paper. This encourages fair play and keeps the activity accessible for all students, regardless of their technological resources. Number 7, assembling the chronology. Once each group has found all the hidden sentences, they reconvene and work together to put the sentences in chronological order. This stage encourages critical thinking and teamwork, as students must rely on their collective understanding of the story to reconstruct the narrative. Number 8, declaring a winner. The first group to successfully arrange all the sentences in the correct order emerges as the victors. You may choose to offer a small reward or simply celebrate their accomplishment as a class. The true prize, however, is the enhanced comprehension and appreciation for the story that every student gains through this engaging activity. So you made it this far, and I want to reward you with a free CI Masterclass that you can use to learn the basics or refresh things you may have forgotten. My free CI Masterclass is 8 lessons that will give you everything you need to get started with CI. Join today for free at mm.us/masterclass. So are you ready to transform your students' reading experience and boost their learning potential with the power of a reading scavenger hunt? Try it in your classroom today and witness the magic unfold as your students embark on an unforgettable literary adventure. And don't forget to share your reading scavenger hunt experiences and successes with us in the comments below. We can't wait to hear how this activity has impacted your teaching and your students' learning. Now, if you found these tips helpful, hitting the like button would be awesome. And consider subscribing if you want more videos on teaching in the modern language classroom. Want to watch more? Click one of these videos that YouTube has picked out for you. Happy comprehensible input!